welcome back. Welcome. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, later I'll go show now one clip of how to take toast, or how to take propose. How to take propose, you know, just in case you get some kind idea, you find some kind of idea or some kind of things, no worry. Before the show end, we go just give them some kind of things. All right, so based on, you know, support, you know, for the industry and support for guys them way, you know, they try onto their music P and everything. Yeah, you know, we get one young guy in the building, and of course, you can follow us Yan now. We'll just hear from him. We'll just know every we concern them. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome STAIZZ in the building. Alpha. I pronounce the name well?
Yeah.
Correct. STAIZZ. Say, where STAIZZ, the name STAIZZ come from?
My name is Steven.
Steven?
Yeah.
Okay, so from Steven...
I come put down to STAIZZ on my mommy.
Okay. You used to be your mommy?
Your mommy.
Serious? So now you be only born, the only picking, or that you be last born?
No. I did close to mom, sha.
You close to mom, see?
Yeah.
So what will be your position for the family?
For the family, second to last.
Second to last?
Yeah.
So what's the last one they do?
Last? Hey, there now.
But you need to be your mommy.
No. Now me be the real mommy.
Oh, you?
Now me.
You see the song, baby?
No, I need some baby. Bros.
You're shocked, you're going, you're serious things. You're there for mommy like... After we just carry toothpick, like, mommy, now, wow. This is the taste that the way it tastes when you just born me. STAIZZ, welcome, man.
Thank you,
how
boss.
music things, man?
Boss, you push on gradually, just small.
Correct. STAIZZ, which side you come from?
I come from Abia.
Abia, because they see the, what you hear. Traditional.
Yes.
Understand? You can't like say we can't plan the whole thing. You know, you just fly your own native thing. Just the
no, actually, no, my style be this one.
Now your style be this.
My style be this one.
I can't look. You know, say most time when people they do this thing, they get arm.
Not true.
See me and you now, how you lean. You know, you're just like this now. Hey, just lean hand. But it still makes you sexy. You understand?
Yeah, boss.
Maybe they all know. Before some people they feel like say because they carry jerrycan when they're small. You know, their hand can't swell up. You go to see because they get muscle everywhere. Easy be try your nipple this stand.
Where you see nipple?
Come on. Bring your system down small.
Come on there.
Bring your system down small.
Where you see nipple?
Why can't they hide down?
Let me say
People like carry bullets for chest. Hey, they worry you. Now because STAIZZ where comes you. We are just joking. Anyway, now the code where they worry the whole system since. So STAIZZ, how far school?
School day. But for now, I just focus on my music first.
You just focus on music, but no leaves the school. Oh.
No. Because
I
don't feel leave down.
But by important they worry am.
Yes.
But for record label.
Yeah.
One done they on board. They look forward to one when they come for front.
I did sign already.
You did sign already?
Yeah.
Okay. Hope say you read everything, no?
Boss, I read them.
Hope say you jack everything well. Say okay, one line by one line.
I know dollar.
Because some kind of things we know as the industry they be now.
Yeah.
The way managers and artists plus record label, everybody because make things not go red. Because this would advise anybody who they jam now. Because future still there. But for how long now music done they be for you?
Like 3 years now, because when I first start last 2 years, so but I don't drop my official single. Now me and my record label partner, Cheddar.
Okay.
Cheddar is.
Okay.
So now two of us first shoot first video.
Okay.
So and we do second video again last year. So this year I just decided to drop my own single.
Your own single.
Bidemi, yeah. I don't shoot the videos yet.
Title of
Yeah.
Bidemi.
Yeah.
Okay. Say Bidemi now. Say Bidemi as babe. Bidemi as guy. Bidemi as waiting.
Bidemi as babe.
As babe.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's be the song? What's the song there about?
Now love song.
Now love song. Wait.
Yeah.
You say sometimes some love song they do is in a heartbreak.
Not true.
Some love songs they do will say you just they scope the Bidemi from far.
Not true.
Some kids love songs they will say you don't catch the Bidemi, but one of your guys they try parole with you and you won't kill your guy. Say leave my Bidemi. So which of the area of the love song be your own?
Actually, I the beg am making grief for me.
Hey, that means not toasting. Now Bidemi.
I did toast down.
So now the scope with that.
Yes, boss.
Okay. So Bidemi, but Bidemi can sound like now unisex name. You understand? But now more guys when they don't say why you choose the name Bidemi. Say one Bidemi really day where you be the scope. I be like me, get one girl for primary school. Banker Oshodi. For me to remember the girl name, join son name. That girl fine, eh? But you know those kind of fine girl, you look from distance, from the same class out there, fine girl. Anybody we know, Banke Oshodi. She got St. Catherine's Model School for Ojo Elegba. Her name again, Banke Oshodi. She fine there. Pieces. Contact me on top Twitter at Funny Ogbolo. Please. Make her just see her, make her just tell her, say that year I be the trip for you. She feel not born now, married. So make her not go follow husband, drag.
No, no go cheap again. You go give am be that.
No, I don't go. I just want to see her how you don't be now.
Yeah.
She gets some kind of big eyeballs, we fine, eh? If Banke do like this, if Banke just blink for you like this, you can just piece for body. Hey. Banke, Lord. I can't get on my guy, MOD. That guy, the thief. I'm not mentioning your name because I get like 4 MOD for that school. But I'm not mention your son name. Everybody, if he stand with everybody like this, guy look you, listen. You want to say you're naked. You say everybody teach your clothes for your body. Everybody they teach.
A professional.
Oh no. That guy, wherever you go there now, maybe you don't either give a life to Christ or you don't carry this go professional.
You can go first grade.
You don't join Boko Haram.
If you don't be Boko, if you go to be their agent, say okay, you bring them for me for training. So Bidemi.
Yeah.
So when you drop Bidemi?
I dropped BDME earlier this year.
Earlier this year?
Yeah.
Okay, so after BDME, other things that they push on top of the whole level, are things that you look forward to?
Yeah, just now I push the video.
Okay.
Yeah, I push the video now.
Okay.
So after the video, I feel drop another song. But for now, I just want to make it circulate, make people just feel and
feel the whole level. How you go say your kind song be, at least for people then for industry? I mean, if you look around now for industry, people then get some kind guys and they worry. You understand? And then we know say for the industry every year, make I not say every year, every season for one artist. Some people just they all come go. Some we all do come. Meanwhile, some people don't sit down say okay, you know, who and who, and some people don't look say now we there. No, we don't go anywhere. So who and who you personally they look forward to, you know, as maybe like role model or person where you look say, man, this guy they try, and I feel like this guy way, you know, like for pure from my own side, you know.
Yeah, not true. I did look up to Two-Face, Wizkid.
And that's just the way for me. You know, how's the way to? Two-Face. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah. But Weezy, Yaga,
Starboy, everybody.
Oh, Lord of God. Some kind of the way Wizkid don't see for this life. Some people Papa never see.
Not true.
From money to women to some kind of life.
Everything, just name out.
Oh no. You know, but either way, so now Bidemi, the song Bidemi, the video day, abi?
Yeah, the video.
Watch the video now.
Sure now.
All right. Nanja, the best for video these days, oh.
They don't want to.
See, classy clean, everything just, you know. But I like your ginger self on top of the whole. They worry the whole Bidemi. It should never be said you agree.
I swear,
I don't know. I just agreed for him. He just was worrying me every day. I don't look like the idiot day. I do here stays there. Look under stays there. Look on top. So they worry me. I sleep for my dream and they see stays. I don't agree for him. You know. But beautiful video.
Thanks, boss. Thanks.
Correct.
Sure.
And I mean, we'll look forward to more stuff like this. You know,
sure,
and see you on top stage, some kind of performance and everything.
Sure.
You be the kind of artist what they look like. You know, person who go get where we say your ginger. You know, your swag. You know, if you don't enter the whole thing. You don't, you know, everything don't blend finish. I believe say you based on how I see that video, you go they worry.
Boss.
You go they worry. No, my brother, they worrying for the industry.
Sure.
You know, see the bunch, they shut up and down. People they say who they shout like this, but last, now we still love.
We love him.
We love and finish.
Really.
Oh shit. The badge, I don't feel wait to get her for this show. That day, crazy will go crazy. All right, so now STAIZZ on the final P now. Where you dey head with your music? Where you dey head with your music? What you dey see for the front? Aside from Bidemi video way day now. Because honestly, as it be like this now, the cash never show. You understand? Future still day, you know, and you go still do more music, you know, good song and all that. But what you dey see? Because it's very important as artists, you got to get vision for your own self. So what's up?
Yeah, first, everything are determination first, then God. I think God first, determination second. Understand? So everything now gradually, and get people who go look up to say, I won't be like this, I won't be like this. So you guys focus with that dream where you don't get for yourself. Say, I got to do this kind, I got to do this kind. So you guys just build yourself because industry all day now. Everybody they want to, everybody they vex.
Ah, man, they vex.
Every day, everybody they
Weekend
one
video
song, go
everywhere,
another.
weekend song everywhere. I can't look how you want to upload it, you know. But really, now you try.
So now just the thing be that. So I go keep up the hard work. I know I will keep up the hard work, and
Okay.
by God's grace, I go reach there.
All right. And you don't take your mouth talk. It's very important, you know. Nobody say I don't know what you want to talk now.
Yeah.
You understand? But it's very important to say you talk about yourself.
Yeah.
You get some kind of things where you say if you no voice, if you think, you don't go
just
you
be
don't go
up there.
too strong. But when you don't use your mouth, take talk, you know, you can't be. You can still can't be realer than real. Okay, so now how does it reach on top social media in case people want to follow you?
Many follow me for Twitter at STAIZZ.
Talk am again, no.
At STAIZZ. IAMSTAIZZ.
Okay. At
So,
I am STAIZZ.
Yeah.
All right.
For IG, the same thing at STAIZZ.
Okay.
So now,
All right. So, STAIZZ, thank you very much, Ij, for us, you know. We did
thanks,
on top the whole show. If time still there, you know, STAIZZ will perform for us inside the show.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.